Hi guys. This is the first video tutorial on the topic of annuity. In this video, I will guide you on the problem-solving process for past semester exam papers. If you guys are ready, let us start now. The first problem that we will discuss in this video is taken from December 2019 final examination paper, Part A, question number 4. Okay, let's see what the question is all about. Harry borrowed Rs 50,000 from a financial institution, which charges an interest of 5% compounded monthly. He paid the loan by making 48 monthly payments. Find his monthly payments. First, how do you know that this is an annuity problem? When you first saw the word compounded, you might think that this is a compound interest problem, but it is not. Why? Because, if you read the next sentence after that, it says making 48 monthly payments. This means there exists sequence of payments, at regular time interval, which is by monthly basis. Thus, this is the main features that differs between annuity and compound interest. Now we know that this is an annuity problem. So, the question wants us to find the monthly payments, or to be more specifics, to find the value of the capital letter R. To solve this question, the first step is to identify what the information are given in the problem. It is stated that Harry borrows Rs 50,000. This means that he borrows the money now, such that the value of Rs 50,000 is at present time. Thus, the present value is Rs 50,000, denoted as capital letter A. Next, it is stated that the interest rate is 5% compounded monthly. This means that the nominal rate K is equal to 5%, and the conversion or frequency M is equal to 12. Thus, the interest rate per period, small letter I, is equal to 0.05 divided by 12. Then, we know that the number of payments, small letter n, is equal to 48, as stated by the statement 48 monthly payments. Once we have all the given information, we can now solve the problem. In this case, we are going to use the present value of an annuity formula, since we already have the value of A. So, A is equal to R, multiply, open brackets, 1 minus, open brackets 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of negative n, the whole thing in the numerator divided by I, close bracket. Next, we substitute the value of A with 50,000, the value of I with 0.05 divided by 12, and the value of n with 48, into the present value of an annuity formula. Finally, we solved for the capital letter of R, and found that the monthly payment is equal to Rs 1,151.46. So, that is how you solve the annuity problem in the situation of taking a loan or borrowing some amount of money at present. I hope that this tutorial has cleared up some of your confusion on this topic. Until we meet again in the next video tutorial session, stay home and stay safe from COVID-19. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and all